Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Today we'll know more about what is to learn a trade and the differences between learn a trade and learn to trade. So let's get started. Learn a trade means to learn a skill or acquire knowledge of something. Basically, learning a trade means that you can make a living from that trade. So, learn something to make a living. You can meet this phrase in situations where people talk about careers, passions, and make a living. You can go to school or college to learn a trade, and you can also learn a trade from the jobs that you're doing. For example, plumbing, construction, water management, and so on. He should learn a trade in plumbing. It would probably make him more money than a desk job. With this phrase, we have more to talk about. Learn the tricks of the trade. It's kind of idiomatic expression, which means learn the method that makes the work better, faster, smoother, mostly from experienced experts in the field. She has been here for 3 months. But soon she will learn the tricks of the trade to get better at her work. Learn his trade. He should be able to learn his trade well if he wants to earn more. Now, don't get confused here with learn to trade phrase, okay? Because learn to trade basically means learn how to trade on a trading platform or trading career. And well, trading is another whole area already. But anyway, if you want to be profitable in trading, you should be able to learn this trade so well too. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.